Okay, another fresh arrival. I don't even know why I'm doing a video on this one again. This one won't last but 2 days. These are hard to come by. This is a 2022 Honda Pilot Special Edition. This particular one is a one owner, bought here new, has been serviced here. Clean Carfax, only 30,000 miles for a 2022. That's great miles. Special Edition gives you those nice black alloy wheels. You can see this guy was a Michigan fan. Go Blue. Black alloy wheels, privacy glass in the rear, black roof rails at the top. Sporty looking yet economical. Third row seat, lots of space for the family, lots of space if you want to put the seats down and carry some stuff back there. Whatever you need, it's versatile. The tried and tested 3.5 liter V6 engine, all-wheel drive. This one is ready for a new home here at Victory Honda Plymouth. Honda certified car, so it comes with a 182-point inspection, 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. We check it over top to bottom, front to back, side to side, brakes, tires, fluids, filters, you name it. You can see there the screen, push button automatic, both sets of keys, lots of good stuff. Moonroof, power seat. Come check it out today, Victory Honda Plymouth. This one is not going to last long. Again, white 2022 Honda Pilot Special Edition with only 30,000 miles. Thank you.